Lime juice, a pinch of salt and sugar, please.
Thank you so much. This is divine. Guys, I'm a Balinese bride today. Thank you. Thank you.
If the drunk also is sleeping there.
You're welcome.
Fine.
Lime juice, a pinch of salt and sugar, please.
Thank you so much. Divine.
And this goes with any spirit you want to have with it, please.
Hello, I saw his face on Instagram.
Hi, Chef Dauda. I can't wait to eat your food.
Very nice to meet you, Chef.
Nice to
I
meet
love your
you.
hair.
Thank you.
Yeah, I look forward to your food.
Of course.
We've heard good things about your food.
That's true.
So he will take your order for lunch, please.
Okay, just a moment. Okay, so that's the entrance of Zaina Lodge. Do a quick tour of the place and let you guys know. Judge for yourselves. Okay, so this is the entrance. When you get here, you're welcomed by the staff. Maraba, maraba, maraba. And this is how we go. It's currently 3:13 p.m. So that's the entrance. Sitting on 1,000. This is the reception area. That's the general manager. This is spectacular. This is beautiful. And that's the restaurant area. Okay. Look at this lumps. That's Ava. She's been overcome by food. We just had a 4-course lunch meal and we are on the 3rd and she can't breathe. We're waiting for dessert currently. We'll come back shortly. These are the lamps. I can't wait to see them at night. Still on the tour. This is the bar area. If you want to see the bar, look at the display. Like, do y'all appreciate this? This is beautiful. Look at the coffee maker. They give you a welcome drink, and by the time you're done downing it, you understand why it's called a welcome drink, because it will literally save your life. Look at this. Look at these lamps. Oh, child. This is next level. Waiting area, and then you can go down to the pool area. First and foremost, appreciate the scenes. Just, oh, look at that. Look, just, I can't wait to take a dip in here. This will take you back up to the bar and restaurant. These are just lounging areas, right? And like, feel this pool from here and tell me that this is not literal paradise on earth. You can sit down there. Look at what it looks like from up here. This is wild. And from here, you get a view. This is a pond where the animals come to when they want to drink a bit of water. So right down there, oh my god, do you guys see them? Antelopes. There's about 10 of them down there that I can see from here. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but this is your view from the top. So from here, this is what you're looking, and these are the, you know, the tents, the villas. We'll go in there shortly. This is the entrance to our our villa. It's okay, don't worry. See, this is the entrance. Very quaint, very beautiful, very different. This is the Zaina Experience. This is our balcony. From the balcony, you get a full view of the ponds created for the animals. Over there, there's one pond over there, and there's another right here. So in the events that the animals come around here for water, we'll be able to view them right from our balcony without even like interrupting them. This is the view from the balcony, and we have a really nice sit out if we just want to sit and chill. And we go in for our room tour, right? I put the bottle there, ignore me. Okay, so first and foremost, there's a study lamp, there's a basket situation, there's a dustbin going here. I love their use of, you know, the basket material. This is the bedding. Tell me how cute is this? Comes with a fan, comes with an AC. You can open or draw the blinds for more light into the tent. There's a really quaint TV station here. You open and close when you're not watching. It's made of wood completely. There's another dustbin, basket for you. My favorite part, the charging ports right next to your pillows. You don't have to struggle to charge anything here. There's a stool for you. This is a cooling chest. They don't have refrigerators. It's an eco-friendly place, guys. So you cool your stuff there. This is the back end. The ropes. This is safe for you. You can pull your things down here, and then we go this way. That's a sink with a mirror. Hola! It's dark, I might have to do this again. There's a body lotion made of shea butter, soaps made of shea butter. There's a sink, the hand towels for you, another basket, and that's it. There's a shower area, more towels, shower, polished stone. These are all made of shea, soaps, shower area. Everything works perfectly. And then there is that nobody quite likes to see. This is an emergency exit. In the case of any emergency, you can just quickly dash out this way. And yeah. You right? I will tag you in it if I post it. Don't worry about it.
Amazing. I mean, it's like difficult to actually pinpoint exactly what you're tasting.
Yeah. And everything tastes like different flavors.
Honestly, your food is
An Asian African fusion something.
Indian tea.
And I heard that you outsource a lot of your food from around here.
Yes.
My new love.
You know, it's difficult to get like food stuff,
Yeah.
especially at the location. we
Yes.
are, right?
Yes.
Yeah. See, I travel all the way from here to Techman to get some vegetables, like 7
All
hour
the way.
drive. It's like a 2 weeks procurement. It hasn't been easy.
Very
You need to
big.
play around with the things you find around to create, to give an ideas and all of that.
This is Musa, and this is Solomon. And we have Abba and Hawa.
Yes.
You always see female ones with no horns. You always see the males one carrying horns.
Oh, that's the difference between the two.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
No, the male one carry horns and the female have no horns.
Don't worry about it. Oh, yeah. They're omnivores. Wow. So the elephants caused this. And there's still salt in there. Oh, I see. One of their feet, right?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
This is amazing. This is so amazing. It's seeds? What did they come from? What's it? Oh my goodness. Oh my god, they are here. Look at them.
Which one?
There's a lot of them over there. Do you see them?
Yes, so.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Abba, wait for me.
Let's go. Don't call them.